ball again. Come here. Shoot the 10. Okay? Wait up, wait up. Give me 1 second. Wait. Go. Okay, it's okay. Again. Shoot the 8. Right there. Come here. Come over here. The black one. Yeah, like that. Oh! Lay your hand flat like that.
Q must be in here. Hold this a little bit like this.
Ito lang pinakasayon lang, anak lang oh.
Like this
Follow that one. And then put the cue stick here. See?
That.
Okay, try to shoot that 8 again. Go the other side.
Like this?
Yeah. Make focus on it. The block. Oh!